Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change Shopify's store theme. First, at your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store from the options at the left and make sure that you are at the themes section. Hover through the online store and I'm just going to click on this eye icon to preview my online store currently. So this is the theme that I currently have, and I'm going to go back to the dashboard, and at the themes page, we can scroll down and you can see your current theme in here, the theme library. Scroll down again and you can see popular free themes. So these are made with core features you can easily customize with no coding needed. So for example, I'm gonna choose this heritage theme in here. So once you have selected your theme, just click on add at the bottom and it will then be added to your theme library and wait for the theme to be installed. And once it is done installing, we can then click on these three dots beside the publish button and click on preview and see that we still have the same products within our Shopify store. Now let's go back to the dashboard. And before we publish our new theme, please take note that changing your Shopify theme will reset some aspects of your store's appearance and functionality. While your product, page, and collection content will generally remain intact, you will lose any custom code changes and potentially some customizations set. So if you do agree with that, you can click on the publish right in line with the theme that you just selected, and it will then replace your current theme, and just click on publish at the bottom. And once we load our current store link, it will then be updated to the new theme that we just applied. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.